have some this. All these.
You want to have all of these?
Yes.
That's a lot, man.
I eat them.
I don't think you can eat all of them. How many do you want?
1,
Don't touch them all.
2, 3, 6, 7.
7?
Yeah.
Let's start with 3.
Okay.
Just like you're 3 years old. Sound good?
Yes.
All right.
I'm 3 old. I want to cut them up.
Oh, please. Say, will you help me cut them up, please?
You will cut them up, please. I don't do that.
Can you move your hand, please?
Okay.
I'm trying to cut here and I don't want to cut your hand.
But that would be bad or funny.
No, it would be just definitely bad. It would not be funny.
Yeah. See too.
You're welcome. Oh,
Just go down with it.
be very careful.
Yeah. Bye, Mom. Bye.
Bye, Levi. Where are you going? Oh, come here. Let me hear you. Where are you going?
A store.
What store?
Chainsaws.
Chainsaws?
Yeah, right that fishing one and.
Are you going to the fishing store?
Yeah.
And the chainsaw store?
Yes, and that's everything.
And that's everything? Hey, wait, come back here. Who are you going with? Who are you going to those stores with?
Dad.
Yay! Have fun.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Levi.
Bye, Levi. See you later. Bye.
Who do you have?
I have Freddie.
How's Freddie doing this morning?
He's doing good.
Yeah, did you feed her?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's your chore to feed her every morning, huh?
Yeah.
That's why she loves you so much.
When I came in the door, she was like meow, 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 meow.
Yeah, she was
Meow.
she was probably hungry because you slept in this morning.
Yeah.
She was waiting for you. What are you making over here, Charity?
Making granola.
Making granola. So what are the ingredients?
Oats, avocado oil, and honey or syrup. I add cinnamon sugar as well.
And cinnamon sugar. And where do you make it? Like, what do you make it in? What do you cook it in?
The air fryer.
The air fryer. Okay. Our air fryer is in rough shape. The handle came off when it got dropped the other day. But it still functions.
Ta-da!
It's gonna be another warm day today. Not as hot as the last couple days, but still in the 90s. So Jeff and Levi fed the chickens this morning, and I'm just coming out to check real quick before I get going on more stuff in the kitchen. I think today's gonna be somewhat of a kitchen day. We have tons of apples to take care of. I'm just getting buckets of apples every day, and I'm trying not to let them go to waste. I hate food waste. And so I'm trying to make sauce, apple butter. I'm thinking of trying to can some apple pie filling just for the year. Probably give a lot away because we probably won't use it all for the year. So just trying to keep up on that. What are you doing?
Holding a chicken.
Which chicken is that? What's her name?
Fanita.
That's Fanita. Hi, Fanita.
That one is Thud, and that one
is Thud.
Arla.
Oh, and Arla.
And there's 2 other ones that's named Squirb and Nugget.
Squirb and Nugget. Yep, and then we still haven't named the 3 little ones. Well, Charity said she wanted to call the darkest brown one Fry, because it was like a crispy French fry. Do you think Fanita likes being held?
I don't know.
You don't know, yeah, it's hard to know. She's not fighting you though.
Yeah, you can go away.
There you go.
I'm gonna check for eggs.
Oh, okay. It's a little bit early for eggs. They usually lay a little bit later in the day. Oh, look, there is one in there. How exciting. Did you look in the other one? Nothing in the other one?
Yeah, nothing.
1 egg so far. How exciting.
Which one do you think this one is from?
That's the lightest one, I think. So maybe Thud?
Yeah, I think
Thud's the lightest?
Yeah.
Because Arla is the one that does the blue eggs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I haven't been out to pick up windfall apples yet this morning. Probably have a whole nother bucket full to do something with. They're getting to be where they're pretty nice apples. Make good sauce and good apple butter and all that. We picked up all of the apples yesterday, and these are all new. There's so many. Okay. Oh, they're gonna try to fly out when I open this. No, hey, get it, Renee, get it back in.
Shit. I'm just gonna.
Oh, come on. No.
No.
Go get it. They're such stinkers these days.
Yeah.
Just let me fly away.
They just.
Go ahead. We'll just leave it closed.
Yeah. They're so cute.
And they are so cute. They're getting so big.
I want to boop your nose. Why can't I boop your nose?
I think you have food for them.
I want
They've
to
still
boop
got
your
food in there.
nose. Wait. Wait there. Here.
They still got food in their feeder.
Here, you can peck through those holes and eat this.
You can
You
put
want
some
to?
apples in there. It looks like they've eaten the ones that they had. Actually, I have a bunch of like cut up apple cores and stuff that they would probably like. Let's bring them some of those.
Okay. Right now?
Sure.
Or
Such a beautiful apple.
swimming in the pond?
Is your granola done?
Yes, it is.
It looks so tasty. You're just waiting for it to cool before you eat it?
Yeah.
Yum. Did you already have some sausage and eggs?
I didn't have eggs, but I had a lot of
Sausage. You don't like eggs very much, huh?
Yeah.
And did you have your sausage and eggs?
Yes.
And now you're ready for granola?
Yes.
Okay. Great. Don't you even think about it, little turkey. All right, now they got some apples to munch on. They're happy.
They're not even like running around anymore. They're just like, give me fruit now!
Here's the rest of my apple load from yesterday and today. I already did one batch of cooked apples to turn into applesauce, and I still have an entire full bucket to go through. So I am just chopping them up and cutting off any bad parts, but not worrying about peeling them or coring them, and then cooking them in my Instant Pot. It does not take very long. I just cook them on low pressure for 1 minute and they turn into this. And then I am running them through my food mill on my KitchenAid. So the food mill will separate the sauce from the seeds and the peel, and then the sauce will be ready to can. Here's a quick peek at the canning I have already gotten done. This row all the way over to this row is all apple butter that has sugar added, so it's super yummy. These 4 pint jars are apple butter, but they have no sugar added, also yummy. Then these 3 back here, these ones were so good. It's so pretty too. They are golden plum butter with vanilla. The flavor is just incredible. Some friends just had some extra and they were super ripe and really needed to be used up, so I just did a little batch of plum butter and it turned out really well. And then these 8 are blackberry jam, except they didn't really, you can see they didn't really set very well, so I think they're going to be more like blackberry syrup, which will also be delicious, and I'm sure the kids will love this like on pancakes and stuff. Did you want some Pope? Stay. Stay. Good boy. Get it. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, what a good boy. This is my very simple dinner tonight. Just keeping it easy with a steak and slicing up some cucumbers from the garden. And I thought I would go ahead and give this a try with my steak. Thought it'd be good on both the steak and the cucumbers. We'll see if it's terribly spicy, but it just looks so good. It smells good. Sitting outside, eating an early dinner. It's only like 5 o'clock and everybody else wasn't ready for dinner yet. So I'm out here watching some chicken TV and enjoying my meal. I'm gonna try this, let you know what I think. The texture is really good because it's really crunchy. It's called crunchy onions and peppers or whatever, chilies. So it should be crunchy, but it really is. It is spicy. We'll see after I eat a little bit more if it's too spicy, but right now it's just a tiny, tiny little burn. I don't like really spicy stuff. I like the flavor of peppers, but I don't like a lot of spice. Buffalo wings is about as hot as I want to go. That was really, really good. I am a fan of that. I don't know what to call it, sauce or dip or whatever, but it was really good. And the spice did not build too much. It just had a little heat, and especially because I was eating it with the cucumbers, it was not very spicy at all. Definitely recommend that. So my agenda for the rest of the evening is number one, to keep everyone alive, which is my number one goal in life right now. And number two is to get the applesauce canned. I have made one batch of applesauce and I have cooked 2 more batches of apples that are just cooling right now before I put them through the food mill. So I'm gonna put those through the food mill and then I'm gonna pull out my big water bath canner and try to get all of that canned, hopefully into quart jars. I need to go see how many quart jars I have. I may not have enough. And I have not even pulled out my water bath canner yet because when I am canning smaller things like pint jars and smaller, I can do them in my Instant Pot Max that has the canning button. And I only can high acid foods in my Instant Pot Max. They say that you can low acid foods in there and pressure can them, but there's some concerns with that and I haven't felt comfortable doing it or wanting to experiment with it. So I just stick with the high acid foods. Anything that's can be water bath canned and is in a small jar, then I do them in my Instant Pot Max. But I want to do bigger jars, so I'm just going to pull out the big water bath canner. One of my jars had a tragedy. It must have been already cracked when I put it in the hot water, and it cracked all the way. But that means that the other 7 all fit in my canner at the same time. I was gonna have one extra that I'd have to do. Now I don't. So I would love your guys' help with something. If you have any favorite recipes that involve applesauce, please share them. With the amount of apples that we're going to be getting and the amount of applesauce we're going to need to make, we need more ways to eat it than just as applesauce. And I know there's lots of great recipes out there. And also my son is allergic to eggs. And so it would be great if we had some recipes that used applesauce kind of as an egg replacement. I'm sure there's lots of yummy recipes out there, so please share them down below if you have any.